They do work. I Skipp produced that paperwork, man. Damn, Terrance, man. Terrance Williams. We're gonna take everything off the name now, cause you said you told on just some dead people, bro. You feel me? That ain't the case, homie. That ain't the case, man. Damn, I tried to back you, man. I tried to, you know what I mean? Lend my support type shit. You feel me? But you really a rat, dog. You really told on some living niggas, dog. So, all that shit, we know it's like riding a bike. We know you can turn back up, but it's really out the window, dog. Nigga, you went, nigga, not only did you go point this nigga out, nigga, you went to court, nigga, on this nigga. See, niggas didn't know because, you know what I'm saying, they kept that shit under wraps. But nigga, damn. It's a foul game out here, man, you feel me? Niggas killing whole families and shit, nigga, and tell on another motherfucker for killing. It's wild out here, dog. Yeah. You just gotta stick to YouTube, brother. I thought Birdman was gonna slide down on you or something eventually, but nah, hell no, I know he ain't. Birdman said, fuck that shit. It is what it is, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Leave your comments, man. It's true. And I'm out.